How to fix Roblox crashing. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your app store. Here in the source bar, search for the application Roblox. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then the application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is click on update and update your application to the latest version. Once the application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General, and then proceed to iPhone storage. Over here, search for the application Roblox and then move into it. Click on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Roblox. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Roblox from crashing. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.